Hello, my name is Kelly Amon, and I'm currently enrolled at the University of Maryland Global Campus. Today I'll be sharing with you the new emerging technology of games and gamification in education. Everybody loves games, so games and gamification have a great benefit inside the classroom. Gamification is similar to games, but it applies the elements of a game into non-gaming situations, and in this case we're talking about the classroom or education settings. Kim says that gamification and games share many characteristics. Just like games, gamification provides us with a fun activity to do, has rules to follow, and can require various levels of technology, from none to simple or advanced. Kim also says that some may argue that the concept of gamification is as old as the idea of the Olympic Games, but such a claim ignores a significant backdrop of gamification, which consists of three elements. 1. The rapid adoption of the smartphone. 2. The tremendous growth of the mobile web. And 3. The increased use of social media. So although games have been around forever, gamification and the technology that can go with both games and gamification is very new, which makes it an emerging technology. Games and gamifications are used in the classroom to make content more engaging and to help motivate our students. Ways to implement gamification according to Suzanne Holloway. Suzanne suggests that you can add gamification in grading. Instead of marking them from 100% going down to 0 as they lose points on assignments, to rather give them experience points and work their way up to 100 with everything that they accomplish. You can award students with badges for their different accomplishments and finished assignments. Educational video games are a great way to implement gamification. You can introduce competition through tournaments, leaderboards, rewards, table points in many different ways, or even introducing a class reward system, which is a whole group rewards requiring teamwork and encouraging students to work together. I think that Holloway gives us a great example of ways to start with implementing gamification into our classroom. Some great websites and apps to use to incorporate gamified learning into your classroom are Class Dojo, Classcraft, there's Kahoot, Quizlet, Gimkit, Quia, and Quizzes, all for great gamified quizzes and encouraging some of that friendly competition in the classroom. Khan Academy, Splash Learn, Solo Learn, Ribbon Hero, and Brainscape are all great actual games and video games that can help students really engage with the content as well. Games and gamification can engage and motivate all of our students. Using game systems, technology, and gamification in the classroom can make our content more relatable and accessible at home. With the new technology that we have, we can implement more games that can help more students engage with the material and better understand the content.